Playing the classic Korean rhythm game EZ2DJ and have EZ2 data files, this format stores songs, charts, and game assets for the popular arcade rhythm game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these EZ2DJ game data files. Don't close the guide if the EZ2 file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high success rate method designed for deep format errors. An EZ2 file contains game data for the arcade rhythm game series EZ2DJ, later EZ2AC. Users searching for this are typically players or enthusiasts looking to understand, modify, or extract assets, like music or note charts from the game. These files are not meant to be opened by standard consumer software. The EZ2 format is a proprietary binary archive used by the game to package assets, including music, background animations, and note sequence data. This container-based design allows developers to efficiently load multiple related assets for a single song, protecting intellectual property and optimizing performance on arcade hardware. The most common market-leading program for EZ2 is EZ2DJ, EZ2AC from AmuseWorld. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows provides restricted visibility into game resources, so proper access depends on modding tools. Your first move is to test the obvious. Right-click your EZ2 file and choose Open With. Use EZ2DJ, EZ2AC if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. We are performing a quick elimination test. When your EZ2 file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, running through EZ2DJ. Install the EZ2DJ game from official distributions or arcade emulation setups. The game engine reads EZ2 files automatically during normal gameplay, no manual access required. Place EZ2 files in the appropriate game data directory and launch through the EZ2DJ executable for proper loading. Next, using arcade emulators. Arcade emulators like MAME may support EZ2DJ if you have the appropriate game ROMs. Configure the emulator with EZ2DJ specific settings and load the game data, including EZ2 files. This approach enables playing EZ2DJ on modern PCs with arcade hardware emulation for authentic gameplay. Finally, working with custom charts. For modding or custom chart creation, use community-developed EZ2DJ tools available from rhythm game preservation sites. These utilities extract, repack, and edit EZ2 files, enabling custom songs and charts. Follow community guidelines to ensure compatibility with various EZ2DJ engine versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.